Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of May the 12th through the 18th, 2023. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's have the same deals, but not always. And definitely always check your own ads because prices can vary even Giant to Giant. I will have my shopping list in the description box below. If I missed any deals, go ahead and comment those down below for everyone else. That's always helpful. Let's go ahead and get into the deals. So the General Mills cereals, they're going to be 2 for $3. That is a Friday through Sunday only deal. We do have $1 off of 2 digital, making them 2 for $2. However, on coupons.com app, you can submit your receipt. Sometimes they give you the extra $1 off of 2 back. Sometimes they don't, but 2 for $2, $1 a box, it could end up being only 50 cents a box. The Rana refrigerated pasta, you might think this is expensive, but this stuff is absolutely delicious, and it's a really, really easy meal. My family loves it. So when I can get it BOGO, I do. It's $5.49. It is found in the refrigerated deli section, but that's a good enough deal for me. The Hers chips are BOGO at $4.59. I did contact them. They mailed me 50-cent coupons that double, so I paid $3.59 or $1.80 a bag of chips. And nowadays, that is a cheap price on chips, and we like to do a lot of subs and stuff once the weather gets warm. Blueberries, $1.47 with the in-ad coupon, or you can just clip it digitally. The ribeyes are $7.99 a pound when you clip the $4 off digital coupon. The margarine, there was a tag on it saying it was discounted to 60 cents. But it was not ringing up 60 cents. And guys, I bought like 15 of them because I bake so much. I use so much margarine, and it's almost $2 for a thing of margarine. But anyway, the lady had to go back there. So if it's tagged at your store, just be aware it was not working in the system. But take a picture of the tag and go up to checkout if it's that way in your store. The Townhouse is 2 for $5. We have a 75-cent Ibotta on the regular and $1.50 on the pita everything on Ibotta. There's also a $2 bonus when you buy one of each on Ibotta. Then on the Kellogg's website, you can print $1 off of 2. That makes that a little 25-cent moneymaker. The Tastykakes. Now, you don't have to get this variety. I did put them in the haul video, but I did get some other ones because my husband likes to snack on these. They're buy one, get one free. But select varieties on Ibotta have a 45-cent rebate. This pecan swirl works for that. So for 2 of them, it's a cost of $3.79 or $1.90. If you like snack cakes, that's definitely a good price. Cracker Barrel cheese is $1.99, $1 back on Ibotta. Easy cost of just $1.99 there. The ham steak, another easy dinner idea. It's 99 cents with the in-ad coupon. You can clip it digitally. Those can be thrown on the grill, cook them on the skillet. Quick, easy meal. Buy 2, get 1 free on the strawberries. Plus, it's working with a deal if you buy 2 strawberries, raspberries, or mandarin oranges, I think is what it is. You get a syrup and a box of Giant brand waffles for free. Over on Ibotta, there's 55-cent back on any pearl milling. Be aware that you have to grab syrup. You can't get pancake mix for this deal. But anyway, a cost of $9.43. That is a good enough deal for me because this is something that my family will use. Last deal, guys. I was trying to keep this video as quick as possible. So there's a frozen deal. There are other items included. Spend $20, save $10. I grabbed 2 of these new Haagen-Dazs cookie butter cones at $5.99 and 2 of the Yasso. So on Ibotta, the Yasso is 2 for $9. You can get any of the varieties, the sandwiches, the pops, or the poppables. Now, $1.25 off of 2 Catalina printed for me right before I was about to check out. So I used that on this transaction. That was not expected, though. I didn't really plan on that. I also got another, I think it's a 2 off of 3. So if I go back on Monday, if the rebates are still around, I may do that deal again. Ibotta has $2.50 back on each of these. It is a limit of 3. And the Yasso is $2 back. You can only get the sandwiches or the poppables on the Ibotta rebate. So for me, it was only a cost of 73 cents for 4 items right here, which is really great. If you don't have that $1.25 coupon, though, the Catalina, it's $1.98. So like 50 cents a box. Really great deal. All right, guys, so that's it for my haul video. If I missed anything or if you want to comment anything down below on another deal, go ahead and do so. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.